The Crocodile and the Monkey. One morning, a crocodile, feeling hungry, set out in search of food. It roamed from one bank to the other, but it couldn't find any prey, and its stomach rumbled with hunger. It was famished. Suddenly, it spotted a little monkey perched on a tree branch by the river bank. Its eyes lit up, and it hurriedly swam towards the monkey, wearing a cheerful expression. "Hello, Mr. Monkey, what are you doing up there?" the crocodile asked. The little monkey replied, "I'm climbing this tree, can't you see?" The crocodile inquired, "Are there many fruits up there? Could you share some with me? I haven't eaten anything this morning, and I'm very hungry." The monkey, a bit annoyed, responded, "I haven't eaten anything myself, so where would I get fruits for you now? Please, go and find food elsewhere." The crocodile pretended to be naive and said, "Oh, Mr. Monkey, earlier, I saw a grove of ripe and delicious bananas on the other side of the river, but I can't swim there. How about I take you across, and we both enjoy some bananas together?" Hearing the crocodile's flattery, the monkey, feeling pleased, agreed. It hopped onto the crocodile's back, and they began to cross the river. Sitting on the crocodile's back, the monkey imagined the ripe, golden bananas awaiting them. It started to sing softly, la la la, la la la, la la la. When they reached the middle of the river, the crocodile revealed its true intentions. "Ha ha ha, you truly are the most foolish monkey ever. There are no bananas on the other side. I deceived you to catch and eat you." Hearing this, the monkey was terrified. But it quickly regained its composure and said, "Well, if you're going to eat me, that's fine. But do you know what's the most delicious and nutritious part of me?" The puzzled crocodile asked, "What is it?" "It's my heart," the monkey replied. "If I'm missing my heart, my meat will become tough and tasteless. Unfortunately, I left my heart at home today. Would you mind taking me back so I can get it for you?" The crocodile, believing the monkey's story, reluctantly turned back to take the monkey home. As soon as they reached the riverbank, the monkey swiftly leaped onto the tree, grabbed its heart, and said, "You foolish crocodile. Without a heart, I can't survive. My heart is right here, beating in my chest. What a pity that you fell for my trick." The crocodile, defeated and embarrassed, slunk away, while the monkey continued to live happily in its tree, wise and unharmed. It knew that true intelligence could overcome even the craftiest of schemes, and it shared its tale of wit and cunning with the rest of the jungle. A story passed down through generations as a lesson in cleverness and quick thinking. Moral of the story: when faced with a difficult situation, remain calm and use your intelligence to overcome it.